Have you ever wondered who is behind the success of a company like Nextiva? Well, in this video, we're going to take a closer look at the man who is responsible for leading this innovative technology company. But before we get to that, let's take a step back and talk about what Nextiva is all about. What is Nextiva? Nextiva is a cloud-based communications platform that provides businesses with a suite of tools to help them connect with their customers. These tools include phone systems, contact centers, and CRM software. Nextiva is a relatively young company, having been founded in 2008. But in just a short period of time, it has grown to become one of the leading providers of cloud-based communication solutions. Who is the CEO of Nextiva? The CEO of Nextiva is Tomas Morales. Morales is a serial entrepreneur who has founded several successful companies. He has a deep understanding of the technology industry and a passion for helping businesses grow. Morales joined Nextiva in 2011 and quickly became the company's CEO. Under his leadership, Nextiva has experienced rapid growth, both in terms of revenue and customers. What makes Tomas Morales a successful CEO? There are a number of factors that have contributed to Tomas Morales' success as CEO of Nextiva. One of the most important is his ability to build a strong team. Morales has assembled a group of talented and experienced executives who are passionate about Nextiva's mission. Morales is also a visionary leader. He has a clear vision for the future of Nextiva and is able to inspire his team to work towards that goal. Finally, Morales is a strong communicator. He is able to effectively articulate Nextiva's value proposition to both customers and employees. What are some of Tomas Morales' accomplishments? Under Tomas Morales' leadership, Nextiva has achieved a number of significant milestones. Nextiva has been recognized as one of the fastest-growing companies in the United States. Nextiva has been named a Gartner Magic Quadrant leader for contact center software. Nextiva has won numerous awards for its innovative products and services. What is the future of Nextiva? Under Tomas Morales' leadership, Nextiva is well-positioned for continued growth. The company is investing heavily in research and development to develop new products and services. It is also expanding its sales and marketing efforts to reach new customers. I believe that Tomas Morales is a great CEO and that he will continue to lead Nextiva to success in the years to come. In this video, we have learned about the CEO of Nextiva, Tomas Morales. Morales is a serial entrepreneur who has a deep understanding of the technology industry. He is also a visionary leader who is able to inspire his team to work towards a common goal. Under Morales' leadership, Nextiva has experienced rapid growth and is well-positioned for continued success. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. If you are interested in learning more about Nextiva, please visit their website.